So guys, we have created a Pinterest video downloader website. You can download here from videos, stories, GIFs and photos, whatever you want to download. So we have explained the things like how you can download them. So let me tell you how you can download directly. So first of all, first we try to save these images, or we can try. Okay, let's try this one. So just copy paste the URL, go to this input box and paste it, and just click on download and show the image is here, and by pressing this button you can download this file. And we can download videos also. Okay, we have this video, or we can use another car videos. So let's select this one. Just copy paste the URL, and you need to paste it here, and see the videos appear here. You can either play it, or you can download them from here. See, let's try another videos. Okay, let's try these videos. Okay, now play it. Okay, but you can download from here. Yeah, it's downloading. So use this site pindownload.app pindownload.app to download your Pinterest videos. Enjoy guys, have a good day.